section of my video, we will be going through the concept of speed and average speed, which is related to uniformity and non-uniformity of a motion. This is actually a topic of chapter number 3 NCERT, motion in a straight line. Now, let us observe what speed is. If an object is traveling a particular distances, then definitely that to travel that particular distance, an object will take a certain amount of time. Hence, in simple word, speed can be defined as the ratio of distance traveled by an object in a given instant of time, which implies that in a given particular time instant, the object is traveling a certain distance. The distances may be different in the given time slots, or the time slots may be different taking a particular distances, which will govern the uniformity and non-uniformity of the motion. Now let's go through the basic concept of speed. As the speed I have just explained, as it says that it is simply defined as the ratio of total distance covered. Now remember this thing. Here we are talking about the concept of total distance. The concept of distance is a bit different as that of displacement, as you have already gone through the concept of it. So remember that the total distance traveled by the object can never be zero. Hence, you may also say that the speed of an object can never be zero. So, it is the ratio of total distance covered by the object with respect to the time taken. Hence, we have the formula of speed as distance upon time, giving us a unit of meters per second. Dimensions of speed is LT minus 1. As dimension we had already gone through it, so making a review of it, that you should be very specific that the dimensions of speed is LT minus 1. Another thing, that speed is a scalar quantity. Okay? So moving on to the another concept which says average speed. Now what an average speed is? Let us suppose that object is traveling a particular distances in different time slots, and the speed of an object in that given time slots is different. So, average speed may be defined as the constant speed with which the object travels or completes its further journey or its entire journey. Hence, you may simply define the concept of average speed as the ratio of the total distances covered. That is, if it is covers distance s1 for time t1, distance s2 for time t2, the total distance covered will be s1 plus s2 and the total time will be t1 plus t2. So going through the definition part, we will be again describing it in different sections. The average speed is defined as the ratio of total distance traveled with respect to the total time taken. Hence, the formulation itself makes it very clear that the total distance traveled with respect to total time taken. Talking about the unit remains meters per second, dimensions remains same, that is LT minus 1. Now here is another concept which says the concept of variable speed. The word variable is very clear to us that if we are varying a particular parameter or particular concept, if you will observe the definition of variable speed, you may see that if an object is traveling different distances in a particular time slots, that is, the distances traveled by an object in a given time slot is different. Hence, you can say that the object is moving with a variable speed. The concept of variable speed is almost similar to the concept of non-uniform motion. Hence, the uniformity and non-uniformity can be governed whether the object is moving with a variable speed or with a constant speed. That is, if the speed is variable, the motion of the object is non-uniform, and if the speed is not variable, then the motion of the object will be uniform. So this was the basic concept related to speed in the topic motion in a straight line. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thank you.